Romanian Duolingo tutorial. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series, I help language learners with their understanding of the Romanian language lessons on Duolingo. In this episode, we're going to do lesson 5 from basic 1. The target vocabulary is femeia, fata, pâinea, apa, laptele, sucul, ceaiul, cafeaua. Hai să începem. Let's start. Write this in English. Femeia, femeia, a woman, femeia. Let's continue. Apa, apa, water, apa. Let's check. Correct. Laptele, laptele, the milk, laptele. Let's check. Correct. Cafeaua, cafeaua, the coffee, cafeaua. Let's check. Correct. Let's continue. Sucul, sucul, the juice, sucul. Correct. Continue. Pâinea, pâinea, the bread, pâinea. Let's check. Continue. Fata, fata, the goat, fata, the goat. Let's check. Correct. Let's continue. Ceaiul, ceaiul, the tea, ceaiul. Correct. And we have completed another lesson. You learned basic 1. And that's the end of another episode in the Romanian Duolingo tutorial series. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea signing out from Bangkok.